She can kill with a smile, she can wound with her eyes, she can ruin your faith with her casual lies. But she only reveals what she wants you to see. She hides like a child, but she's always a woman to be. She can lead you to love, she can take you or leave you. She can ask for the truth, but she'll never believe you. And she'll take what you give her as long as it's free. Yeah, she steals like a thief, but she's always a woman to be. Oh, she takes care of herself. She can wait if she wants. She's ahead of her time. Oh, and she never gives up. She never gives in. She just changes her mind. She'll promise you more than the Garden of Eden. And she'll carelessly cut you and laugh while you're bleeding. But she'll bring out the best and the worst you can be. Blame it all on yourself, 'cause she's always a woman to be. Changes her mind. She's frequently kind, she's suddenly cruel. She can do as she pleases, she's nobody's fool. She can't be convicted, she's earned her degree. And the most she will do is throw shadows at you, but she's always alone.